Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook filet mignon in the oven. Begin by patting your 2-inch thick steaks completely dry with paper towels, removing all surface moisture. Next, generously season them all over with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This crucial preparation helps achieve a perfect, savory crust during searing, locking in those wonderful flavors and ensuring a truly delicious meal. Heat 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado, in a heavy, oven-safe skillet over high heat until it just begins to smoke. Carefully place your seasoned filet mignon into the scorching hot pan, searing each side for about 2 minutes. This quick, high-heat sear creates an irresistible, flavorful crust, locking in all the juices before the oven step. Immediately after searing, transfer the skillet directly into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast the steaks for approximately 8 to 10 minutes for a perfect medium rare, or until an instant-read thermometer registers 135 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part. This gentle oven cooking finishes the steak evenly, bringing it to a tender, juicy perfection. Once your filet mignon reaches the desired internal temperature, remove the skillet from the oven and transfer the steaks to a cutting board. Tent them loosely with foil and allow them to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This vital resting period redistributes the juices, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist, enhancing the overall flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.